It was a really tense day at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Tuesday, the 27th of January 2026, as the long-running legal saga of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu took an unexpected turn. Now guys, what began as a hearing on his request for a transfer from the Sokoto Correctional Centre quickly unraveled into a dramatic withdrawal of counsel and ultimately the collapse of the application itself. Now, presiding over the matter, Justice James Omotosho struck out Kanu's ex parte motion after lawyers from the Legal Aid Council announced their decision to step away from the case. The reason? They told the court was quite simple but very serious. They said irreconcilable differences with their client. Now, Kanu, who was sentenced to life imprisonment on November 20, 2025, after being convicted of terrorism-related offenses, has remained at the center of intense public debate. His family has rejected the judgment outright and vowed to challenge it on appeal. Following his conviction, the court ordered his transfer to the Sokoto Correctional Centre, ruling that the Kuje Custodial Centre in Abuja was unsuitable for him. Now, determined to move closer to the Federal Capital Territory, Kanu returned to court on December 8, 2025 through an export application. He asked to be relocated to either the Suleja Custodial Center in Niger State or the Kefi Custodial Center in Nasarawa State, both significantly closer than Sokoto. But on Tuesday, the plan hit a wall. Now, addressing the court, Legal Aid Council counsel Demdo Hassan revealed that the application could not proceed as expected. Now, despite repeated phone calls and assurances from Kanu's relatives, no one showed up to depose the affidavit required to support the motion. Now, beyond that, Hassan alleged that Kanu was attempting to dictate how the case should be argued and what counsel should say in court. For Hassan, that crossed the line. After consultations with his superiors at the Legal Aid Council, a decision was reached to withdraw entirely from the matter. Now, a client, he stressed, could not run legal proceedings from detention. Now, Justice Omotosho agreed, commending the counsel for upholding the dignity of the court. He granted the request to withdraw and struck out the ex parte motion for lack of competence. The judge also noted that there was no proof that the relevant parties had been served since the last adjourned date. And just like that, guys, Kanu's bid for a transfer was brought to an abrupt end, at least for now. Now, as the case continues to unfold, all eyes remain on what Kanu's next legal move will be and whether new counsel will revive the push for his transfer. Now guys, what is your take on this latest development? Share your thoughts and let's discuss in the comment section below.